Welcome back to Piggy. Today we're gonna do chapter 9 and chapter 10. There it is, a safe place. They'll be pretty surprised that we found someone. Maybe we found them, maybe they found us.
Yahoo!
Let's go, Kobe. I've got a gun on my back.
No, I don't.
I do. You have wings made of paper.
No, I have wings made of the
Plank.
What?
What? No.
I sound like one of those girls who always scream. Oh wait.
Oh my God! Michael just pooed himself. Is that what you sound like?
Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Is that what you sound like? All right, Zizzy, go kill that elephant. Get that done.
You where the spoons in the second building, or in the hall?
Called the alley.
Alley, yeah. Who's she going after?
Have you got the green key card yet?
No. It's in the building. The worst place for it to spawn.
I think Ellie's
You can. Can I get the
Yeah.
Can I get the
Cookie dough. I want to try cookie dough ice cream. Apparently it's real yummy. Don't die, Cubs. I mean KYOB.
Then you distract the piggies.
No.
Why? I want to get the explosives.
I'm going to let you get the explosives. You just need to come to the building. Yeah, good boy.
One. You distract.
Here we go.
They're probably like right there. Yeah. Oh, you got yellow feet. I'll distract them. And psych.
They're still after you.
How? Waiting.
I don't want to get hit on the head, so I'm waiting till they go. Otherwise, I'ma be hit on the head. Kirby, you gotta go to the top of the building.
Why?
When you get the code.
Have you done
one
playing?
The other way. Yeah.
Oh.
One of them's in the other way. Coming up.
Don't steal it.
I am. You
No.
steal my stuff. All the time.
I'll stop if you stop.
No.
Crap you.
Bro, it's so laggy. I thought you had gotten it.
Yeah. I thought you have gotten it.
Cool.
Let's go.
Cool.
Nice.
Done. So, Seth, what were you doing before all of this? I was a police officer looking for someone. What about you two? Oh, we're detectives. I was trying to become an optometrist just like my father.
Ponies are.
And I was a fencing coach. I even taught my little sisters. Look, there's Georgie.
I know.
I'm so relieved that they're safe here with me. Or are you really? Yeah. How'd you end up at the carnival? I heard you were looking for Mr. P. Mr. P's been giving out potions. They turn you into the infected.
Who finished first?
Me. I need to stop him from doing this. As you can see, my thing's already finished before yours. You should at least stay here for a little. We can help you find him. Stay here for a little. Runs off straight away. What was that?
I think
someone's watching us. I'll go check it out.
Me too.
Remember, you voice Georgie. I'm coming with you.
Why do I have to be
Stay safe.
man?
You want to be Pony?
I want to be Bunny. Distorted Melly?
I think so. I don't know.
No, we never did it.
Oh, I just realised what we're going to have to do for... Oh, wait. They ran this way. Amol, why would they hide here?
No, I run.
Right, let's go, Kobe. Let's go.
Yeah.
Nothing there. Anything here? Nothing. Oh, plank.
Plank, nice.
Right, go.
I can't do plank from the other side.
Yeah, I know. Same. That's why I just grabbed the red one because it was right there. Orange key's up here. Up there as well. Yeah, orange key's there. You want it?
No, he's spawning right next to me. He spawns like right here, the bunkers.
Got the crowbar.
You do?
Yep. Where's he out there? One thing,
Can I get blue key?
Yeah.
I guess it's in this room?
Yeah. I didn't even know it was there. I didn't see it.
Who does?
I don't know.
If they're not looking for it, they won't find it.
I'm pretty sure whoever gets the target above their head he goes for.
No. He's still going for me.
Oh, I know. It's just supposed to help you if you're playing. Dude,
Who's
I gotta
the
go
yellow
that way.
key?
No one. Well, I don't. It's up to me.
You have a coin. Who's putting the orange key that way? Okay, can I get the yellow key bot?
No, I'm just grab this stuff. I'm just trying to speak on it. Go, shoot. This way.
No, you unlock it and...
Dude, just move it the way. I shot him in revenge for Kobe. Just kidding, I just wanted this thing.
Okay.
How many skins you got?
I'm not buying
I love how you just stop trying to get those guys. Come on. Oh, there's Mousy.
I started, then I stopped again. Because that isn't got devil.
You basically never started again.
Why did you change my character to normal Piggy?
Why not? Get Dakota.
Dakota. Didn't skins extra?
No, he's the dude with giant helmet on. Look two. The one from chapter 7, the one with the giant anchor.
Dakota.
Why'd I go upstairs?
Sorry.
There.
I'm getting what's her name? Spider.
Spider.
That's a weird name.
Can you turn that down a bit? Oh, I forgot. We need the wrench again. Shut up, Kobe. Oh, he's back.
You could barely see that wrench. No, shut up. Why are you going that way? Oh yeah, that's quicker.
I think I found him. Alright, you gotta voice Georgie, remember?
No!
Show yourself. We know you've been watching us. Georgie?
How do you know who I am? Who are you?
I'm Seth, and this is Zizzy. You know this kid? This is the person I was looking for. Why'd you run, Georgie?
After my family visited the hospital, they act weird and scary. Wow. I came here looking for a grouper, but everyone looked scary, so I hid.
You'll be safe with us, Georgie.
Will I see my family again?
Georgie, we'll find the person who did this, I promise. Such a wholesome moment.
Yes.
Oh, wait, it's back. Zizzy's back and she has friends!
Yeah.
See, Zuzzy, this is Georgie and Seth. Seth looks pretty funny. Zizzy, Seth, we tracked a helicopter signal nearby. Mr. P, I need to go see him. Zizzy and I are coming with you. I mean, I'm coming with you. Zizzy and I are coming with you. What? But she just got back. I'll be back soon, I promise. Take care of Georgie while we're gone. Let's go stop him once and for all.